In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopify to set up your general shipping rates effectively. Whether you're a newcomer to the platform or looking to refresh your knowledge, this guide will take you step by step through the process, ensuring you're set up for smooth operations and satisfied customers. First, let's head over to your Shopify store. Open your web browser, sign in to your Shopify account, and you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's admin dashboard. This is your operational hub, where you can make all necessary changes and updates to your store settings. From the home page, take a look at the menu sidebar on the left. Here, you want to click on the Settings option. The Settings section is where you can control various aspects of your store, such as payments, notifications, and the focus of today's session, shipping and delivery. Once you've clicked Settings, a new menu will appear with various options. Look for and click on Shipping and Delivery. This is a vital area as it determines how your products move from you to your customers. In this section, you have not only shipping settings, but also delivery options, including local delivery and pickup options. Next, you'll want to focus on configuring your general shipping rates. In the Shipping and Delivery page, click on General Shipping Rates. This option allows you to define the default shipping rates for your products, which will apply unless specified otherwise. Now find the section labeled App. This part is instrumental, especially when utilizing third-party apps designed to optimize your shipping strategies. Ensure that you have the right apps connected, as they can potentially provide significant enhancements and automation to your shipping processes. The next step is to establish specific rates for your shipping profiles. Click on Add Rates. This prompts a window allowing you to create a detailed shipping rate structure. The rate might be a fixed price, a calculated rate, or depending on the order characteristics. To finalize setting up a new shipping rate, click on Create New Rate. Here you can specify all the fine details such as rate name, the zone it applies to, and any conditions or rules. Make sure to review all these details carefully to ensure they align with your intended shipping policies and customer expectations. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the settings to adjust your Shopify store's shipping rates. Remember, having well-structured shipping rates not only prevents unexpected costs, but also enhances the customer's shopping experience. As you continue to refine your store, feel free to make adjustments as necessary. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in managing your store's shipping needs. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials.